Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd come out with my Bushcraft Spain gear, traditional stuff. Give this a field test. Haven't used this for a while, and I love the plough point configuration. Completely sheltered, but you feel like you're pretty much sleeping under the stars. So this gear is real quality stuff. It's probably my 5th time of using it now, and just love setting it up. It's gorgeous, and all the smells of the oils and the cotton canvas and the wool blanket. This is so nice, merino wool, all hand stitched on a loom. This one's the king size version. Thought I'd get something with a bit more room in it so I can double wrap it round me, but it's a perfect kind of setup, quite minimal, and you're using some of the bits and pieces from the outdoors to make yourself really comfortable. So this is part of my sort of grab bag. I've got 2 bags, and this bag's one of them. You know, if I want to go camping or I just want to get out a bit quick, then I can grab this bag. An old military style bulletproof canvas bag, and I've kind of loaded it out, you know, with the essentials that I need to do a nice bushcraft camp out. But as you can see, I'm completely undercover, but yet I feel like I'm sleeping in the great outdoors. I do like this configuration with the wool blanket and the undermat as well. It's so nice. But like I said in the last video, get out there and give all your gear a test, and test yourself. And the more gear you got, the more things you got to learn about. But it's going to be a beautiful camp out. It's October now, and the weather's beautiful, really nice. Opted for this Petromax firebox. It's really portable, really solid, and a great cooking platform on the top, and you only need a small amount of timber to cook yourself a meal. So it's perfect for my traditional bag. And you can't beat stainless steel cup, nesting cup, and stainless steel bottle, so they're perfect over the fire. Oh, that's great. Thai green. So I've had a gorgeous time. Accommodation's been superb. Food's been awesome. Got myself a coffee on now and I'm going to pack up. Hope you've enjoyed it, guys. I certainly have. And don't forget, gear like this, if you had to bug out for 24 hours, 36 hours or extended periods, it's just bulletproof. You know, I've slept under this tarp a few times and it's been so comfortable. And what with a wall blanket as well, you just can't beat the traditional gear. I might do a video later on, maybe with Becky, doing traditional gear versus the modern synthetic gear and the pros and cons of each. But no, I really enjoyed myself and I hope you guys are all okay and still prepping away. I've been busy in my garden at the moment picking all the green tomatoes, so we've been busy making chutney. I'm gonna have to do a video on that for my patrons, an update on that and my dehydrating and preserving. That's been superb. It's going to be a wet pack up. I love days like this, it's gorgeous, especially under the tarp. You can hear the tarp, just the rain just hitting the tarp. It's cosy. It was lovely about 4 o'clock this morning when it started. It was just tucked under that wool blanket. So I have this coffee that I've got on and that'll be me. So don't forget, guys, get out there and have a go at this like traditional camping. It's great for you. Love it. It's lovely mixing it up. You don't get complacent with one way of camping. I like trying different things and camping in different styles. So thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy the great outdoors, and I'll see you on the next one. Little tip for you guys, and it's raining cats and dogs, put your frying pan over your firebox and the rain won't extinguish your fire.